back to my channel. So I just wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. I just got this package. I know who I got it from. For you guys, that's not as important right now, but I didn't know that I was receiving this package, so it's funny and it's also like very surprising. So it was just delivered to me. I have to be at work in like 30 minutes, if not less than that, but I just want to unbox it. I kind of got an idea of what it is, but like just to shake it up. Do you hear that? Like, what is that? So I have an idea of what it is, but it may not even be what I think it is. So let me just see. So I want to position the camera so you guys can see. I'm not even looking, like I don't know what it is. I just see a bunch of like little stuff. And so, wow, okay. Look at this. Oh my God. Wow, okay. This is for me. First of all, Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. This is nice. Oh, so first of all, I've never been sent anything like, of course for my friends, but this is kind of like a special friend to me, and yeah. So it's built up like kind of like gifts. This is so cute. I've never heard of Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory, so this is so new to me. And so you just take the gifts apart, and it's chocolate in each box, I'm guessing. But this is so cool. It says, the gift of wine country's finest assortments has been sent to you with best wishes from someone who knows how much you will appreciate it. If a personalized gift message has been included, you will find it under the label or in the pouch on the outside of this box. If not, the sender's name is listed on the address label. Okay, so okay, right, so I see who it's from. Yeah, there's no customized message or anything like that. At least not that I can see right now, but this is so nice. Like, I really appreciate this. Someone thinking of me, like, wow. Okay, so I guess I could take everything out. What's that? I kind of don't want to take the box apart because it's like, it's so cute. Oh my God, look. How cool. I got popcorn. I got popcorn. This box is too good. More like chocolate and stuff. First of all, whoever sent this to me is trying to have me out here diabetic, okay, with all these sweets. This is too cute. Like, you guys, look at this. Got pretzels. It's so nice to know that there's people who are thinking of you. Like, I think that's what I appreciate most, just to know that I was thought of. And this is like more chocolate. Like, okay. Okay. But yes, I just wanted to open this on camera with you guys because I was kind of surprised by it. So look at this. A bunch of like snacks and stuff. It's gonna last me a long time because I kind of like munch on stuff at night, but like I know that this is gonna last me like a very long time. I also have for you guys a review coming up, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I just wanted to unbox with you guys. Like, it was special for me, so I wanted it to be shared, like the moment to be shared. Actually, though, more so with like my friends so that they would see it. But yeah, anyways. Thank you for watching. It was really nothing. It was just a surprise for me. So Merry Christmas. And thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.